image at top, select the canvas size, resize the canvas to your A4 format, then click OK. You can do it with centimeters, whatever your A4 format size is, and then click OK. Then go to image and select image size. This will change the actual image and canvas, but better than that, you can go ahead and hit Shift Command 4, which will bring the copy image into your clipboard. Copy it. You can delete that and then paste the image and then drag the pasted image into your new dimensions. It should retain all the quality of your original image, whereas you can also then go into super resolution mode, but that's how you get to fill that parameter. It's all about copying and pasting an image, and then again going into the canvas size. You can double check the image size right here. It shows the parameters also. If you scale proportionately, it'll change in width and height, but you can delete that. Go to 800 and you'll see it'll stretch an image, but in your case you don't want that. That will distort it. I hope it helped.